Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Marinemax. Now, despite the fact that the market has been choppy waters lately, Marinemax has held up pretty well. You can see we hit a high here right near the end of March, came back down, built a base around that 50-day moving average, and then now has kind of developed a little bit of a cup without a handle. So I think that this 63.90 level is pretty important here on Marinemax. And what I'm going to do is set an alert for a potential breakout right along that trend line. So we have a clearly defined level of resistance here, and we're right close to that resistance again. Now I know that breakouts haven't really been great in this market. So I want to see a move through 64 bucks on higher than average daily volume before taking a position. Now this could very well just kind of chop sideways a little bit, build a little more of a handle, and then break out. But based on the fact that this stock has been able to hold above all of its major moving averages this entire time that the SPY has been, kind of chopping around, going sideways, I think it makes Marinemax a pretty good breakout potential candidate. So keep an eye on Marinemax. I have an alert just under 64 bucks. Hey, if you found this video helpful, you should see what we're doing at StockMarketMentor.com. We have an entire library of tutorials. If you're trying to upgrade your trading, definitely take a 30-day trial. StockMarketMentor.com. It's risk-free. I hope to see you there.